Hi everyone, this is Michelle from Two Brothers Blankets. Today I'm going to show you how to do this braided cabled stitch that I have included in my newest pattern, the Aspen Tunic. This is using a combination of front post triple crochet stitches and back post triple crochet stitches. Every stitch is defined step by step in my pattern in the stitch dictionary up at the top of the pattern, the very beginning, and it's called, I call it front post cables and back post cables, just to shorten the wording a little bit. The definitions and how to do each step is up at the stitch dictionary, and then throughout the pattern it's called front post cable and back post cable. But a combination of those creates this lovely braided cabled stitch. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm left-handed, so this is a left-handed tutorial. The steps are exactly the same if you're right-handed. I'm just going to be working from left to right. I'm using Brava Sport yarn and an H5mm hook, which is exactly what I use within the pattern for the sample. I've worked my herringbone double crochet stitches. There is a tutorial for that on my YouTube channel and on my website, www.twobrothersblankets.com. If you need to learn how to do this stitch, definitely check that out. I've worked all the way up to where we would begin our cabled stitches. We are going to start doing the front post cable. What you're going to do is you're going to skip your next 2 stitches, and you're going to front post triple crochet around the next 2 stitches, one around each stitch, each post of the stitch. So we're going to do 1 and 2. Alright, that's the first step. Now, working in front of the 2 stitches you just made, it says to do 1 front post triple crochet around each of the 2 that you skipped. So we're going to yarn over twice. We're going to work in front, and we're going to do the first one that we skipped, and then the next one that we skipped. And it's takes a little maneuvering as they cross over. And then they're going to cross over each other like that. Then it says to front post triple crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. So you're going to work around the next 2, doing a front post triple crochet. My tension doesn't want to stay. There we go. Alright. So that's what your first row is going to look like. It doesn't look like a braided cable yet, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish out this round and get set up for the wrong side of our work to show you how to do a back post cable. And as you alternate between front posts and back posts, you're going to create that braided cabled look. So I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. I've worked the rest of the row, and then up I've turned and worked the 6 stitches to get us to our cabled stitches. Now we're on the wrong side of our work, or the back side, and we're going to be working around our post stitches that we did from the last row. So this is a back post cable. This is the steps for it. You're going to skip 2 stitches, so you're going to skip these first 2 cabled post stitches that you just did, and you're going to do a front post, or a back post triple crochet around the next 2. So some more maneuvering. You're going to be working around those top 2 from the previous row. So you did your 2 back post triple crochets. Now it says working behind the 2 stitches you just made, back post triple crochet in the skipped 2 stitches. So we're going to be working around these two posts, but we're working behind. So you're going to work behind and around the first one you skipped. And you're just going to cross right there, and then it says to back post triple crochet into the next two stitches. So you've got these two posts right here, these last two posts, and you're going to do one back post triple crochet around each of them. So that's what it looks like from behind, you doing your back post cable. I'm going to finish out the row again and get us started to show you what it looks like from the front. Okay, we're back. I've worked my way across my herringbone double crochet stitches to our cables. As you can see, it still doesn't really look like a braided cable just yet. I got yarn everywhere. So we're going to continue to do our cable stitches. Now we're back at a front post cable because we're on the right side. So we're going to do the exact same thing that we did. We're going to skip the first two post stitches right here, and we're going to front post triple crochet into the next two. Alright, now working in front of those two, you're going to front post triple crochet into the two that you skipped. And then you're going to front post triple crochet into the next two. And as you can see, it's starting to weave and create the braided look just a little bit. It's gonna weave this way, and then this one gonna go this way, just like a braid. You're switching out your middle post. I'm gonna finish out this row, and then I'll show you the back row, and then I'll show you what it looks like, and that's all you're gonna do. It just continues on as far as you want. So let me finish out this row. I'll be right back. Alright, we're back to our wrong side. We're working our back post cable. You're gonna skip two and work into the next two. One back post triple crochet into each of the around each of the next two, and then working behind, you're gonna do one in each of the ones you skipped. So let's do that. There's one, working behind. I have very uncooperative yarn today. Okay, and then you're gonna do two, one into each of the next two, one back post triple crochet around each of the next two. And so this is what it will look like from the front. It's continuing to braid. Here, let me do a few herringbone so you can see it a little better. Alright, there we go. Now you can see that it is starting to braid, and you're just going to continue to alternate your front post cable and your back post cable throughout the pattern, or if you're doing something else, to create this cable look. And then as you keep going, it's going to continue on looking like this. I think for the pattern and just when I'm doing like a swatch or whatever, I always end my braided cable on the wrong side as a back post cable, and then I do a row of just herringbone double crochet stitches to kind of finish it off, and it creates that nice braided cable. So I hope this helps you throughout the pattern, or if you want to create your own design or whatnot. to make this beautiful braided cabled stitch. Thanks, bye.